Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to check if you are eligible for Magic Eden airdrop. So in order to check it, you just have to come to this page, that is mefoundation.com. I will also put the link of it down in the description for your convenience. Now once you are on this page, you will see this option of claim me token. So you need to simply click on it and then it will ask you to check your eligibility for the me token claim. So here you need to click on check eligibility option and then it will show you this type of QR code. So basically you need to scan this QR code with your Magic Eden mobile application. So make sure that you have successfully installed the AMI application in your device and created your account over here. Now let me just quickly scan it. So in order to scan it, you just have to simply launch your Magic Eden wallet, and in the top right hand corner of the screen you will be able to see a QR code option. So you just have to simply click on that and scan it. After that, you just have to grant the permission by clicking on the sign in option, and then it will show you this type of page where you just have to check the terms and conditions page and click on agree to the terms and conditions. Now it will ask you to connect your wallet with it, so click on link wallet, and from here you just have to select extension wallet and make sure that you have the extension which you want to basically connect with it. So currently I have my Phantom wallet, so I'm going to select my Phantom wallet. Now here you just have to select the blockchain, so I'm going to select Solana blockchain. After clicking on it, it is asking me to enter my password, so let me just quickly enter my password, and here you just have to simply click on the unlock option and press connect. After that, you just have to click on the confirm option, and this way you will be able to connect your wallet with it. Now it will show you whether you are eligible or not. So in the wallet dashboard you will be able to see the number of tokens that you have. So it is showing me that currently my wallet isn't eligible, but if your wallet is eligible, it will show eligible over here with green highlight. So this is how you can basically check whether you are eligible for the AMI token airdrop or not. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.